Well, that's right, Chris. And Sacramento State University will be one of the 23 California State University campuses planning to require the coronavirus vaccines as students return to the campus in the fall. And the University of California system planning to do the same at its 9 campuses. But both of those systems' plans are not set in stone yet. They hinge on one very important decision by the federal regulators. Ed Mills with Sacramento State explains.
Right now, the vaccines have emergency approval, and the FDA is moving towards formal approval. And once that occurs, that's when we would then kick in this vaccine requirement.
Now, both university systems had previously announced that they had planned to host a majority of instruction and activities on campus and in person starting in the fall. We spoke with students on campus here at Sacramento State today who are plotting the move.
Me, I don't really care. I think it's better for everyone to just be safe than sorry. And if we're going to be back on campus with 32,000 kids, I'd rather have people be vaccinated than not.
We have so many other vaccines that are, required, so I think this one should also be required.
Now, with many more students returning to campus, the university systems say that vaccinations are necessary for the health and safety of their campuses. But vaccines aren't going to be the end-all, be-all. Of course, universities will still be requiring hand washing as well as masking and physical distancing. Now, there is some opposition, not to the vaccines, but the way that this went about, the way the universities made this announcement today from some labor groups. We'll have more on that later tonight on ABC 10. For now, we'll send it back to you.
Indeed, this is a rapidly developing story, Giacomo. We wanted to know how many schools are doing what our state schools are doing this fall. We found an expanding list of U.S. colleges and universities say students must have received a COVID-19 vaccine before arriving on campus this fall. So far, most of the institutions that have announced the new mandate are private, with schools like Cornell University and Duke University paving the way. And check this out, before the CSU and UC announcement today, there were only 22 colleges in the nation requiring COVID-19 vaccines.